Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, let's light up your world, quite literally, with the corner floor lamp, 2-pack LED smart RGB floor lamps. These aren't your ordinary standing lamps. They're designed to transform any room, whether it's your bedroom, gaming setup, or living room, into a customizable spectrum of color and mood. Let's start with design. These slim, modern LED corner lamps fit seamlessly into any corner of your space, saving room while adding ambience. Each lamp supports 16 million DIY colors, allowing you to create any atmosphere you want, from calm, warm tones for relaxation to dynamic, pulsing colors for gaming sessions or movie nights. And with over 68 preset lighting scenes, you can instantly switch from sunset vibes to party mode with a single tap. Now, here's what makes it stand out: multiple control options. You can operate the lamp via the dedicated mobile app, remote control, or the physical button on the stand. The app also lets you adjust brightness, color gradients, and even sync lights with your favorite music using the music sync mode. Perfect for gamers, streamers, or anyone who wants their space to respond to the rhythm of sound. Each lamp is built with durable aluminum housing and diffused LEDs, ensuring uniform brightness without harsh glare. Plus, with energy-efficient LED technology, you get powerful light with minimal heat output and long-lasting performance. Installation? Easy and tool-free. Just assemble, plug in, and pair with the app. And because you're getting 2 lamps in one package, you can balance lighting across both sides of your setup, ideal for immersive RGB symmetry. If you've been searching for a stylish way to elevate your home lighting or gaming aesthetic, this 2-pack LED corner lamp combo is absolutely worth it. Whether you're setting up a cozy reading corner or a full RGB gaming cave, this adds instant atmosphere and flair. Buy it now on Amazon and transform your space with the tap of a finger. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow Gadgetverse for more epic tech finds.